Crude oil today traded flat here without showing any bias, though it has come down towards the resistance zone at 67 now. And we know that a drop below 67, 66.8 should invite more bearishness, can take it towards 66.4, the next support zone. And if it breaches this, yes, we can expect a greater downside. Are we looking forward to such downside here in oil, or the lows are done and we should wait for a rise? Like natural gas, see, natural gas today has seen a good rise all the way towards 3.26. Now, what to expect from oil and gas with the US session? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit, we're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. Natural gas storage data might add on to the volatility for gas prices. Trade accordingly. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till oil on the hourly chart. See, what did we discuss? That it is delivering lower highs here and thus till towards 67.668 zone. You have to remain cautious. But now it is come down towards the support zone here, and thus it is pretty important for us to observe how it behaves at 66.8 and 66.4 zone. This is a zone which is going to offer maximum support for crude oil on the downside, because breaking below which more downside awaits here. The moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossing over though. Stock I stick at bottom. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 2 hour charts, and you look, similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts. Drop, retracement, drop here. It could retrace. I will definitely watch out how it behaves till towards 66.8, and thus only selling entry now in crude oil is below 66.8, now below which you can expect more bearishness towards 66.5, 66.4 levels. Very good support is there at 66.5, 66.4. And remember, a bounce back here can not be denied. Yes, right now it is looking downwards, but I'll wait for a reversal here. Moving averages have started to converge. Stock I stick looking down. The MACD trading bearish after the crossover, looking downwards. This is a bearish sign though. RSI is also trading bearish, looking downwards. Look at 3 hour chart. See, on the 3 hour charts here, the moving averages have traded with divergence. So far it was, these were trading bullish. It has formed a flat top here. This is pretty important to note. It has taken 3 attempts to break beyond or trade beyond 68, failing to do so. Now prices are reversing. This is a slight bearish sign. Now what's happening after this rise? It has taken so many candles for it to erase the gains from this candle, and thus now 66.8 is what you should watch out for. And even if it trades below 66.8, I'll say till 66.4 you have to remain cautious. Prices are still not bearish. Below 66.4 is where you can say now there is a drop ahead in oil prices. Now you can say the rise, the retracement, bigger rise, the retracement, it is possible that it can move somewhere towards 66 or 65.5 zone. That should be the next support, and that is the bottom of this channel here. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD also after the retracement has crossed over. Now see, this is divergent. This is a bearish sign here on the 3 hour charts. So this is something you should watch out for. It has crossed over. It is trading bearish. The RSI is also looking downwards and trading bearish here. Coming to 4 hour chart. Now on the 4 hour charts, notice after this greater decline, the oil has bottomed here at 64, and since then it is trading in this retracement channel. Now when you connect the lows, when you connect the highs, you can see this is a nice channel here. The lows of the channel now towards 66, 65.5 levels. So if it trades now below 66.4, you can expect more bearishness, which can take it towards 66 and 65.5. Now see what's happening on the 4 hour charts. Look at the move here. The rise here, then the drop, then the retracement, then the drop. So now it has come down towards the support zone. A possible breach below 66.8 should invite more bearishness, but I'll say the support levels here are very close, 66.6, 66.4 levels. And once it trades below 66.4, there you can say now the bears are back and you can look forward to a drop, as the reversal possibility cannot be denied here. Moving averages have crossed over on the buy side and are trading bullish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD after a good retracement has crossed over. Not a good sign supportive for bulls here. This is further bearish sign. The RSI is looking downwards, which is again a bearish sign. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily charts, notice what did we discuss? See, after bottoming here, we have seen the rise, then the retracement, then the rise. Now here also three bullish candles, and then the bullishness got diminished, and now it is starting to reverse here. So possibility exists that it may reverse, but I'll say it has to break now below 66.8, that yesterday's low, and then 66.4 the day before yesterday's low. So these two lows, if oil breaches, you can say this could be the beginning of another round of retracement, as it is trying to trade like this, as it is trying to stay in the bottom of the channel is now lying at 65.5, and this will increase the possibility to it. But again, 66.8, 66.4 zone, as long as it fails to break, do not trade this as bearish. Now looking at this move, what I'll recommend before I offer you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, join my next mentorship batch. The batch is announced for 21st of July. Join it today and enjoy the learning journey. Yes, this is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And those looking forward to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, reach out to me for details. And once you have your trades in place, it is very, very important for you to have a safer place to a trusted partner which offers you free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe and zero commissions. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now the buying entry is pretty clear. I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 66, 67.5, 67.6 zone. Only above which you can say there could be a possibility of a rise, but till 68, 68.2 is not taken, you need to remain cautious. 68, 68.2, this is the fourth attempt by oil. If it moves beyond 68, 68.2, we are looking forward to a greater rise. Possibly it might head towards 70 very, very soon. But today it is not showing such signs. Today it is trying to show a little retracement. However, I will say on the downside till 66.8 also do not take a sell. Below 66.8, yes, you can expect 66.6, 66.4. The nearest and very strong support. Below 66.4 is where you can expect 66, 65.5 levels. Till 65.5, it has got extremely strong support. Below 65.5, this should be delivering a reversal. I do not expect such a great move in the oil today. At least I still have a further upside available. I still expect further upside in oil prices and hence wait for it to give you a breakout either which ways. Till 65.5 for today, do not treat this as bearish. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas after dropping towards 3.17, it has retraced and now looking upwards, it has already moved towards 3.26. So now once it trades beyond 3.26, you can expect a good move all the way towards 3.3 levels. 3.3, 3.35 is the level it needs to breach in order to confirm a complete reversal. Right now it is trading bearishly. It was prices were trading with divergence from 20-50 period moving average. It has come down towards the same zone. And now if you see it is staying beyond 3.26, there is a possibility of a move towards 3.28 and 3.3. Beyond 3.3 is where slight bullishness might prevail. Else right now it is just a retracement, not a reversal. Also notice if you connect the lows here are far below 3.1 and $3 zone. The highs are also far above towards 3.4, 3.5. So let's see, it is right now placed comfortably towards the bottom of the channel. The stochastic is at top here. The MACD after a good retracement is now crossing over for the bias. Signs supportive for further rise. RSI placed comfortably. Coming to 2-hour charts, see the 2-hour charts here, the moving average is trading with divergence is staying bearish here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. And see it has come down towards the resistance here from the 20 period. So now it is pretty important for gas to breach 3.26 and beyond 3.26 is where you can expect a little rise. Also notice it is under retracement as of now. A drop below 3.2, you can again stay with the sells here. The stochastic at the top, the MACD has crossed over here after a good bearish wave. It is looking upwards. It is a sign supportive for further rise. RSI hitting at the bottom here. Look at the 3-hour charts. See, it is possible that after this good drop, this was the retracement, and now once it trades below 3.2, you can expect a further downside. As we know, on the daily charts, there is still a downside available in net gas towards 3.11 and $3 zone. So, it's staying below 3.2, more bearishness might prevail here. The stochastic at top, the MACD willing to cross over for a buy. See, it is delivering waves here, and now if it crosses over, this may call for a reversal, but let's wait. Let's wait for this to cross over. RSI is flat at bottom. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation on the 4-hour charts, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Lower highs here, lower lows here, trading in this channel. Let's wait for it to stay beyond 3.4. 3.5 zone. That should be a good indication of a breakout on the upside on the daily charts. Yes, till here I do see this as a retracement, not a reversal. See, whenever it is bearish, the bearish moves are bigger, the sideways or the retracement moves are very, very nominal, and hence you have to watch out how it behaves now. The stochastic rising MACD trying to converge, RSI placed at bottom. Look at the daily chart, similar observation. See this drop, retracement, drop, and bigger drop. It might retrace. See, it is still staying in this channel. Very, very important for it to break beyond 3.4, 3.5 for a complete reversal, which appears difficult as of now. The moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, I'll now recommend you to buy. If you see now net gas is staying beyond 3.26 levels, expect 3.28, 3.3 as the first target zone, and beyond 3.3 is where we can expect 3.36. Beyond 3.36 is 3.4, 3.5 at the next target. And the storage data can do wonders. It can reverse the trend completely. The retracement might be complete here. And if you now see net gas trading below 3.2, you can just take a sell. Below 3.2, you can expect it to move towards 3.16, 3.15 as the first target zone, 3.11 as the next. And then 3.05, 3.02 levels will appear as the next targets. See, notice what it is trying to do. I have shown this on the daily chart several times. See this $3 zone. This is critical. It is first, second, third attempt, and this is could be the fourth attempt, though it is coming from slightly higher lows, so it can deliver slightly higher highs or slightly higher lows, and thus I'll say now $3 zone is going to be very, very critical if at all it decides to drop. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Thank you.